Check this out. This is a teaser post and reveal day copy on a schedule. Most people rewrite this from scratch every upload, and it ends up sounding flat. I made a free tool for this instead of starting from a blank page again. This build reveal countdown generator takes your build project's milestones and auto generates a countdown post schedule, which will look like a teaser 1, 2, and then the reveal day. Now let's take a quick look at how easy this tool is to use. So you're just going to put in your project name right here, and we're just going to add in, I built a backyard shed from scratch. And then you're going to add a couple points that you're going to want your videos based on, or milestones. So we're going to paste those here. For our example, we have foundation, framing, roof and doors, and paint. And then we're going for our reveal date. We will just put it a few months ahead. And then for a tone, we'll just keep the tone right here, but we do have a couple different options for a tone. And then we have our countdown gaps. This will figure out how many video titles that you're going to be making. And then we're going to use Gemini just to create some of the text here. So if you have a Gemini API key, put that in here. We're going to check that box, and then we're going to hit generate countdown. So this will just start you out, and then you can make any additional changes that you need. But right here, we have like post 1. We have, I built a backyard shed from scratch. First look, foundation. For the description, we have, we're kicking off, I built a backyard shed from scratch. Right now, the foundation, more from the build is coming, so follow so you can catch the full reveal, and then some hashtags. And then you have post 2, post 3, and then the final reveal. So you can use this information, make some edits, post those on your videos, and then you're done. Saved you a few minutes. And to make this even better, you can copy the prompt from the tool. So I built this tool in Cursor, but you can use any AI tool that you would like. But with the prompt, you're just going to drop that into Cursor right here, and then you're going to hit enter. What's going to happen is it's going to build a Python tool for you, which you can use on your computer. That will be similar to one that I just showed you. Now, if you need to make any changes, all you would do is type in right here. Let's just say you wanted to add something. So you just type in any ideas that you have. Like, I have multiple videos that I need updated. Can we build a search from the YouTube API key? And then you just hit enter, and it would basically go out, put that in there, and then you'd go ahead and test it. Now it keeps getting better because I did say you can download this tool for free and use it on your computer. And you can even get the prompt, which you can use in any AI tool to make any changes. Now to find the tools, just go to caseybuildsit.com, go to the file section or the free download tool section, which you will find all the tools that I have on the website, which you can all download for free. So if you guys have any questions about this tool or any other tool, please let me know. And until next time, download Cursor or any other AI tool and start building so you can make your life easy.